This arrogant boyfriend talked his way right into jail.
Delivering methamphetamine.
What? To what? To who? Where?
Let go with her.
This crazed driver hit a curb, fought with the cops, and played the victim card.
You have no right to go in my car.
Give me your name.
No. You.
What's your name? Give me your name.
You.
These arrogant boyfriends tried fighting the cops, but their stupid egos just landed them in a cell.
You're gonna get f***ed up. I kill you. You bunch of stupid pigs. Go you hard.
On August 4th, 2022, a patrol officer positively identified 31-year-old Kara Venable in a park in La Crosse, Wisconsin. She was wanted on outstanding drug-related charges. To avoid escalating the situation right away, the officer chose not to reveal the reason for the contact and instead called for backup first.
We just needed I think an officer had a question with you about maybe like a theft or something. I'm not entirely sure, but can you hang tight at the front of my car for me?
I can stand right here. I'm not gonna go anywhere.
That's fine. Okay. Yeah, we'll wait till that initial officer comes down, and then we'll figure out the whole situation. Okay?
What kind of theft? What are you talking about?
What?
What kind of theft? What are you talking about?
I'm not entirely sure off the top of my head, to be honest with you, Kara.
Robert, go find Dakota, please. The whole situation about I don't understand.
I wish I knew, but I'm not the investigating officer entirely.
Okay, so what do you know?
Just that someone needed to talk to you about a case.
That they need to talk to me, or they have talked to me? Because no one's talked to me about anything
That
yet.
someone needs to talk to you. That's my understanding of it.
Okay. Is there any way I can just give him my phone number and he contacts me that way?
Not right now, I don't think.
Excessive, don't you think?
Me standing here? No.
While waiting for additional units to arrive, Kara became impatient and called her 23-year-old boyfriend, Dakota Gillette. Dakota showed up firmly convinced that Kara had no reason to be taken into custody.
I don't know. I haven't done it.
The theft or some pending case, I'm not entirely sure. I still someone needs to talk to her, or an officer needs to talk to her. So
what is it? Just going to be a ticket that gets issued then? Or
I have no idea.
And when did this
theft supposedly happen? Because I haven't done or gone anywhere.
I'm not the initial officer here, okay? And I probably misspoke on the theft, but an officer needed to talk to you. So
that it was misspoken on a theft?
I misspoke thinking it was a theft, but an officer needed to talk to you, Kara. So let the officer talk to you. That comes out.
You don't need to get hostile with me just because I'm asking questions about what the
I'm trying to explain it.
You're not telling me though. You're telling me you think it's a theft and now you don't know if it's a theft.
Right.
I just explained that I misspoke.
How is
okay, so then she should be free to go home.
That's not how it works at all.
So how is it then? What is it then if it's not a theft?
You're not free to leave.
Is she under arrest?
She's not free to leave. She's detained.
Is she under arrest?
She's not free to leave. You can't leave.
Is she? No.
Am I under arrest?
Not yet. You're not free to leave.
So then she's free to leave.
She's not.
If she's not being arrested, she's not being detained.
She's detained. I just said she's. You just said it.
You
just said she's detained.
I said if she.
How do we even not know what it is? Can you ask them what it pertains then?
When it gets here, yeah.
Why don't you just ask them over the radio?
Give me a second, Kara. Come on now.
No, because I've been
41 to 66. What's your 20?
I've been standing here with the pertains.
Right.
And then you tell me it's a theft, and now you're telling me you don't know if it's a theft. You don't know what the is.
For real.
Why would you sit there and lie?
I'm telling you what I know.
You said you thought it was a.
And then I explained I misspoke.
The impression that it was under a theft, and now you're telling me that it's something totally different.
I didn't say it's totally different. I said I misspoke.
How are you going to sit there and tell me it's one thing and then it's not?
Right.
Okay. Since he's here, hang tight with him. I'm going to make some phone calls to get this all figured out, okay?
Shortly after, a second officer arrived, allowing the first officer to run a more thorough records check on Kara. It quickly became apparent that the couple had been expecting this arrest. Their claims of innocence soon gave way to open hostility.
He's got to make some calls on some stuff.
Yeah,
about
he's telling me that he doesn't even know what it is about. Like,
right.
First he tells me it's
we
a
have
theft,
the right to be known. When you're getting detained, you have the right to know what the it's actually about, for real.
So what does it pertain?
Well, how's that? I'm about to get real upset here. Okay. Well, we got an email that investigators had some stuff they needed to talk to her about. So. Investigators had some stuff to talk about what?
Exactly, because I've already told the investigators.
If you don't know, then why the hell?
I know what it is.
Do you think I know every case that happens?
No, they want me to come in and they want me to start snitching on motherfuckers, and I've already told them no.
Kara, I don't know what it is.
I already told him no.
We don't know what it is.
Well, I know what it is.
Yes, you do.
I know what it is, and I already told.
We 400 cases a day.
I already told that investigator he can kiss my white ass because I ain't telling him a motherfucking thing.
We'll go double check, and if that's the case, then we'll be out of here.
It's bull.
I'm sorry.
No, you harassed me in the jail about snitching on my family, and now you're coming out here in front of God and everybody to do it too? You can kiss my fucking white ass word out of me.
I don't want a word out of you.
Once officers confirmed the active charges against her, Kara was officially informed that she was under arrest. That was the moment everything began to unravel.
Okay, so like I said 5 minutes ago, I misspoke.
Huh? What is it then?
You have pending charges for...
Excuse me? No. Back up! Back up!
You're under arrest, Kara. You're under
What
arrest.
for? What for?
Arrest for?
Why am I under
Do it
arrest?
before you arrest her.
Get your hands off me!
For party to a crime for delivering methamphetamine.
Bullshit.
What? To what? To who? Where?
Let go. You're going with her. You want to go with her?
off.
Let go!
Back off.
Don't get physical. Are you not going to put your hands behind your back?
Why am I being
For real.
arrested?
For possession of meth.
As officers attempted to take Kara into custody, her boyfriend repeatedly interfered with the arrest, leaving officers with little choice but to detain him as well.
On your stomach. Stop choking me. I'm not choking you. Bullshit you are. On your stomach.
Stop. Everybody relax. Put your hand. No one's on his throat. Stop.
Let him go.
On my knees. Stop. On your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
For resisting.
For what? Hey, for resisting? Dakota, stop.
Even after being placed in handcuffs, Dakota's combative attitude made it clear he had no intention of cooperating with police.
I let go when you guys told me to.
No, you didn't.
Bullshit.
Can you sit up?
Where's your
Bullshit.
Can you sit up?
Bullshit. Review the cameras then, right now. No, before I go anywhere, right now.
That's not how.
Yes, it is. Yes, that's all uploaded to your computer. I know
Sit
it.
up, please.
No, it's all uploaded to your computer and you know it. So replay it now.
Can you sit up?
Watch the house!
Can you?
Watch the footage now.
I can't do that.
Yes, you can. You have it on your laptops.
Which isn't right here.
No, it's in the car, so don't do it before I move anywhere. Yup. Yes.
You gotta sit up for me, okay?
You see that he has his hands on his throat!
I'm opening up a lawsuit against the cross
That's
police
fine,
for
but-
excessive force.
But for right now, we have to get to
No,
the squad because you're
no,
going to jail.
I'm not going to jail. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
We are.
I will kick you in your face right now then. You stupid.
Well, I hope you don't do that, but we have
Well, I hope that you let me the go. Otherwise, you guys are getting a lawsuit.
Nope, you're going to jail.
You bullshit.
Don't take him,
I didn't
please!
do anything.
Please, don't take him!
Bullshit.
Don't take him!
Bullshit.
Can you sit up?
No. Once you let me go.
We're not letting you go.
Yes.
Don't take
Yes.
him! Please don't take him!
Are we gonna
What's your badge number?
Please don't take him!
667.
All right, you're getting a lawsuit open up
fine.
and
Baby,
can I file a grievance right now?
Yep.
Stop.
We can't do
Right
that
here.
from the ground.
Yes, I can.
Dakota,
I can clearly file one sitting right here.
Tonight,
You're
Please
going
sit up.
to, you got to go to
No,
jail,
I don't.
okay?
Baby,
No, I
please
don't.
That's
don't.
what's going to happen.
Hey, I'm talking with him.
No, we're sitting up.
Dakota!
Hey!
Throughout the encounter, both Kara and Dakota continued resisting officers. Dakota repeatedly shouted insults and made direct threats toward law enforcement. But the chaos was only beginning.
You give him my phone right now!
Kara, you'll have your phone.
You give Christopher my
No.
phone right now!
No, help me get her up, please.
I
Here, sit up.
not treat him my phone!
No.
Not treat him my phone!
I'm f***ing your ass up when I see you on the outs.
Right now!
I never forget a face.
I haven't searched it.
No, you can f*** off.
Come back up.
You can f*** off.
Come back up.
You got any needles on you or anything?
I gotta search it.
Big f***ing nut. All right.
That's excessive!
Stop!
I'm not f***ing resisting! You're excessively hurting me!
You are resisting!
No, you're excessively hurting me!
Tobacco, you f***ing pig. Find some more f***ing drugs, you
Stop.
Dakota, stop!
You got to search her still.
You're not putting hands on me. I want a female officer. I want a female
All I'm
officer!
searching, Kara, all I'm searching is your
You
pockets.
will give me a female officer, so
stop
help me
kicking.
God, I will f***ing snap. I want a female officer, don't touch me!
Can't get the best search in the back pocket.
Hey, she has a female officer.
No, she doesn't.
Bull.
Watch TV. It's not a law. It's not.
I want female officer.
Switch them.
You're not touching me.
Can't get the desk set. We'll just get the right back, right pocket.
I want female officer. You're not touching me. Don't touch me.
Alan, get back, dude. Come on now.
Don't touch me.
Kara, can you scoot back a
You're
little
not
bit?
touching me. I said you're not touching me.
Check the waistband quick.
Don't touch me.
For the record, there is no law that prohibits male officers from conducting a search of a female suspect during an arrest. However, several members of the increasingly hostile crowd strongly believed otherwise.
You have the right to fucking wait for a police, a female police officer.
There's no female officer on. And that's not a law. That is not a law.
Can I at least get my phone back?
We can get it. Okay, we gotta wait till they handle it. I need you to stay back, okay?
They have female police officers.
We don't have any on today.
That is the law. You're not certain female.
It is not.
Yeah, it is. Trust me.
Because you're wrong, it doesn't mean...
It'll be things hey. Handled in court. Hey. It'll be handled.
We don't know that.
Once Kara was secured in the patrol vehicle, officers searched her bag and discovered a methamphetamine straw, providing additional evidence that justified transporting her to the police station. Rather than accepting the reality of the situation, Dakota only made matters worse for himself, setting off a self-destructive chain of events.
You're gonna get f***ed up! I'll f***ing kill you! You bunch of stupid f***ing pigs! That's all you f***ing are! Hey, stupid f***, you got these cuffs way too f***ing tight! Stupid f***, loosen these f***ing cuffs! Can't f***ing feel my hand, you f***ing nigger! Alright, I'm definitely opening up lawsuits. My hand's f***ing numb!
Dakota, you can...
My hand's f***ing numb!
That's fine. You can open up 100 lawsuits.
Dude, my hand's f***ing numb! Loosen it, at least!
Not when you're physically...
You then, you f***ing stupid...
Can't...
Look how many cops it took, because you're a scaredy
Oh, it only took 2 of
Yeah,
them.
oh, bullshit. It took 1, 2, 3,
They
4,
just showed
5,
up.
6, 7, 8 squad cars?
You were already
You're
in the car.
a f***ing f***.
You were already in the car, Dakota.
I don't give a f***. I can still have freedom of speech.
Yeah.
Stupid f***.
Say whatever you want.
Yes, stupid f***. It's not disorderly conduct when I use I feel statements and I feel like you're a stupid f***.
You just gotta relax, man.
No!
It's
you.
over, okay?
You.
Just relax.
You. For real.
But Dakota's arrogance still hadn't reached its peak. You'll see that shortly.
I request medical attention too, because my ribs are
You're requesting medical attention now.
Yep.
Okay. For what?
My ribs.
Okay, you wanna
When
go
y'all
to the
slam me
hospital?
up. Yep.
You wanna go to the hospital?
Jorge got him in here.
I said ready. You heard me.
Okay.
You had no right to choke me.
You jumped us, man.
Huh? I wasn't in cuffs. When you choked me? No, I wasn't. It's all on camera too.
It sure is.
So, and I'll be f***ing you up when I see you on the outs. I hope you know that.
No, that's a felony.
No, it's not.
You just threatened a law enforcement officer. That's all we need is cooperation, Dakota.
Cooperation for what?
But you're fighting with us. That's
Wrong.
not
I
gonna
literally
happen.
let go and you guys slammed into me, which
Nope.
pushed me to the f***ing ground.
Yep, you got
Yes.
taken to the ground because you got
No, I
involved
wasn't.
in a
I literally
police
let
matter.
go.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Bull.
It's all on video, bud.
It is.
We pushed you back like 10 times and told you to get back.
Okay. That's why I didn't even need to come here. I just love wasting your guys' time.
It's your bill.
No, it's not. Because I refuse medical attention.
You don't want medical attention?
I just love wasting your guys' time.
We're already here, so you're good.
At the hospital, Dakota's disruptive behavior continued. He refused medical treatment, refused to cooperate with staff, and even directed insults at a doctor. The final legal outcome was significant. Kara, who had already accumulated 10 additional criminal charges between 2018 and 2021, was formally charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct as a repeat offender, and possession of drug paraphernalia. Her bond was set at $1,000. Dakota, who also had a notable criminal history, was charged with threatening a law enforcement officer, obstructing an officer, resisting arrest, and 3 counts of bail jumping. His bond was set at $500. Under Wisconsin law, officers had legal authority to arrest Kara Venable based on her outstanding drug-related charges. During the arrest, both Kara and Dakota Gillette allegedly resisted lawful police commands, leading to additional criminal charges. Dakota's repeated interference with officers constituted obstruction and resisting arrest, while his threats toward law enforcement resulted in separate charges. Officers were also legally permitted to search Kara and her belongings incident to arrest, leading to the discovery of drug paraphernalia. Ultimately, Kara faced charges including battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and possession of drug paraphernalia, while Dakota was charged with threatening an officer, obstruction, resisting arrest, and multiple counts of bail jumping. If you think this boyfriend was foolish, wait until you see the crazed driver who fought cops over a tow truck.
Get out of my car, man. What are you doing? I said get the fuck out of my car.
Back up, man. Step back.
Dude, you have no
back. Don't step
you have no.
April 8th, 2023, out in Joliet, Illinois. We got this 35-year-old guy, Miles. He hopped a curb and got his ride totally stuck. Cops roll up to the scene, but Miles? The guy couldn't care less. He's acting completely unfazed, like it ain't no big deal.
Hey, dude. What are you gonna do here, dude?
I'm waiting for my car.
Huh?
I'm waiting for my car.
Yeah, you over the curve, man.
I'm waiting for my car.
What do you mean you're waiting for it?
2423.
I'm waiting for my car.
You have a what?
I'm here with some business right now, man. No, I know it's over. I know. I get it.
So what are you gonna do about it?
You want me to move it?
Huh?
Can I just move it?
No, you can't. Just let me look at it, dude.
What the fuck are you talking about, man? You can't just move it.
Yeah, come look at it. Look.
Oh no, I know. No, I know.
You hey, look, dude. I'm not trying to give you a hard
Listen,
time.
I know, brother.
First of all, just call me officer, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I get it. I get it.
So yeah, just going to have a seat, man.
No, I'm waiting. Yeah, that's what I work for. That's what I work for.
They got a tow truck company or something?
Yeah, something like that. Dude.
Go on and have a seat, man.
No, I'm not sitting in the fucking dirt.
All right.
Fuck out of here.
Who are you talking to, dude?
Who are you talking to?
Step back, man.
No, man. Who are you talking to?
Hey, just relax, bro.
Who are you talking to?
It's all good, bro.
No, we're not gonna get like that, bro. You're gonna talk to me.
Go ahead.
You work for
That's
me.
right. You're right.
Yeah,
That's right.
yeah. Get the fuck out of here.
Step back, dude.
Back the fuck up.
I'm gonna call a tow truck, dude.
No, you don't need to go to the truck.
You gotta get it out of here.
He's rambling, talking complete nonsense to the officers. But the second they tell him a tow truck's on the way, the guy just snaps and gets real aggressive. But trust me, that was just the start of this guy going totally off the rails.
You got a tow truck coming, dude? You got a tow truck coming? You got a tow truck coming, dude?
Fuck up, I'm on the phone.
Alright.
Back up. Back the fuck up, dude.
He keeps giving him attitude, so the cop plays it smart, backs off for a minute, and calls in for backup before making a move. Another cop hits the scene, and they step up to deal with Miles again. But right then and there, Miles decides to make a bad situation a whole lot worse.
Hey, how you doing? So this is gonna happen, dude. Are you calling a tow or what? Huh?
Yes.
Alright, who you calling? How long before they get here?
I'm in here too.
No, that's it. Who do you call? Let me know who you call. Okay, can you put them on speakerphone so we can see?
No.
Hey, Miles.
You know it don't work like that.
Miles.
What? What?
After I just helped you out earlier, you're gonna be confrontational with him?
Fucking am I being confrontational, man? I'm trying to fucking wait for a tow, man. What do you want me to do? I'm fucking pulled over there. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing, bro. I'm waiting for a fucking tow. Look at me, bro. You know I am. I'm not trying to be confrontational with you.
Who did you call? What tow company did you call?
I'm not calling the fucking tow company, dude. I work. Get the fuck out of my car, man. What the fuck are you doing? I said get the fuck out of my car.
Back up, man.
Step back.
Dude,
Don't step back.
you have no
Back, don't step
you have
back.
no right to
Hey,
go in my
step
vehicle.
I'm asking you to step back.
Dude, I'm standing right here, motherfucker. Put your hand on me again.
I'm asking you to step back.
Put your hands on me again. I'm asking you to stay out of my fucking car. You have no right to go in my car.
Yeah,
you have no right to go in my car.
Give me your name.
No, you.
What's your name? Give me your name.
You.
Give me your name and ID.
You, dude.
What's your name?
You passed that up when you went in my car without
What's
him.
your name? Hey, step back. Step back. I'm asking you to step back.
I'm asking you not to go in my fucking car.
Step back.
I'm asking you not to go in my car.
Step back. You know
you
what?
have no right to go in my car.
You're being confrontation. Let me pat you down and make sure you don't got anything on you.
Yeah. Put your hands up. Hey, man. Bro, you know I don't have anything on me. Let my arm down a little bit.
You know what? You've been confrontational, dude. You walked up to me in an aggressive manner. So right now, until we figure out what's going on, dude, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs for my safety. All right?
Yeah.
That's how that works.
Yeah, that's fine. You know, that's a fucking slam my head around.
Seeing him act this sketchy, the cops decide it's time to lock him down and detain him to figure out what's really going on. But Miles puts up a fight, leaving the cops no choice but to muscle him into the back of the cruiser.
Sit down, Miles.
Cute, dude.
Miles, sit.
Cute, dude. All right, I'm not sitting down.
Yeah, we're gonna go in my car.
All right, put me on the curb.
No, you're too late, dude.
Just put me on the curb right here. Hey. I'm sorry. Put me on the curb right here.
No, we're sitting in the car.
No, put me on the curb right here. Put me on the curb, dog.
You don't want to follow instructions.
Put me on the curb.
Listen,
no. Put me on the fucking curb. Dude, give me a fucking... Dude. Put me on the curb, man. Put me on the curb.
Have a seat.
Yes, sir.
All the way.
I know, I'm trying... You guys got something in my foot. Dude, get me... Unlock me for 1 second so I can please I gotta brush off my feet, bro. Please.
Give me your foot.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir. That's fine.
Watch your foot.
Yes, sir.
Put your knee in. Put your knee in the car.
It is. It's in. Thank you.
Miles.
What are you doing, bro?
Get in the car.
What the are you doing, man? What is your problem right now?
After blowing off orders to back up and actually squaring up with the officers, Miles finally gets hauled off to the precinct for booking. But even on the ride over, the guy refuses to own up to anything. He flips the script right away and acts like he's the victim here.
You really take me to jail for assault? Talk to a cop?
You weren't talking, man. You were approaching my partner aggressively.
Dude,
he kept telling you to stand back and you kept running into his hand.
You're gonna take me to jail for that?
Yes.
You're gonna ruin my life for trying to talk to a dude.
I didn't ruin your life. You just ruined your life.
You're being ignorant, man. Why can't you guys just let me out of the parking lot? I'm trying to get a ride out of here. You're out of your
Central
mind,
20.
bro.
Being around 1 Mail 95 to Central.
What the is wrong with you guys, man? You can't just be like, hey, man, this guy's having a bad night. His car is off a cliff. Let him go. Really? Dude, I'm talking to you like a human being, bro. Talk back.
Okay, what do you think people feel when you get in their face and you're clenching your fist after they tell you to stand back?
I think I'm trying to go back to my vehicle.
That's not how people communicate. Your vehicle's hanging off. Your vehicle's hanging off a curb.
You're right.
And you have open alcohol in your car.
I know, because I pulled off and I couldn't go anywhere. So I walked to my room, which is 6 feet away, which you guys could see that, and I drank a twisted tea, bro. I called my buddy, and he could come pull me off of that. Why are you guys doing this to me, dude? Because I had a little... Did I hurt you? Did I hurt your buddy? I didn't threaten you. I didn't threaten your buddy, man. I was a little bit excited, yeah, and I walked up on you guys. Big deal, man. Like, what the f***? You're gonna take me to jail over this and ruin everything? Come on, man. Be a human being, dude.
At the end of the day, Miles got locked up for battery and obstructing ID. He ended up walking later on an I bond, meaning he didn't even have to post bail. Miles's attitude is straight up unbelievable. The guy fights the cops and then has the nerve to play the victim? Give me a break. Looking at it from a legal standpoint, the fact that he walks on an I bond, zero cash bail, after catching a battery charge just shows how controversial and soft this catch and release system has gotten lately. Keep your cool and never go toe-to-toe with the badge. It's only gonna make your problems a whole lot worse. What's your take on the justice system going this easy on guys who resist? Drop a comment below and let me hear your thoughts. While that driver played the victim, our next guy's insane sense of entitlement led to a scary stalking arrest.
If you come back on this property within this complex within a year and police see you on the police...
How you gonna sit there and tell me that? If I want to, I could do that. And y'all can't take me.
On September 10th, 2022, a 19-year-old man was reported for repeatedly harassing a young woman he claimed was his girlfriend, despite being repeatedly told to stay away. After exhausting every attempt to get him to leave her alone, the family had no choice but to contact the police.
Apparently, he was talking to my child.
Your daughter lives here?
Yes.
With you?
Yes.
You all live together?
Right.
Does he stay here?
No, he's not from here.
Hi, Officer Gadsden. What's going on?
I'm just trying to talk to her.
That's it? She don't want to talk to you?
I mean, I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. An answer. Nobody wants.
She got a phone?
She's not answering.
Okay. You understand that her mom don't want you here. She not answering the phone.
Yeah, and
so.
I respected that. So the first time she asked me, I didn't come.
Mm-hmm.
And that was like a whole while ago. Still haven't heard now.
When
so
I
said, let me come back. Let me see if I could talk to her. I'm just trying to talk to her. I'm not doing that.
Yeah, but
all right.
I advise on 10-12.
Copy, 10-12 and Gretchen up here.
For what though? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Why?
Well, I mean,
how am I sick?
Gretchen up there.
Just can you listen to me for a second? Stop arguing with her.
For what? You don't even know me.
Sir.
You don't know me.
Hello.
I just like your daughter. I'm trying to talk to you.
Ma'am, can you let me talk to him for a second, please? Do you want to step over here and talk? Okay. So where we at now is she don't want you here.
To your daughter. That's it.
Hello. I'm trying to speak to you.
That's cool. I don't gotta talk to you. I'm trying to talk to her.
You gotta leave though.
Why do I gotta?
Cause she don't want you here.
Yeah, but I want to be here.
When officers arrived, the young man showed complete disregard for their instructions, refusing to accept that his advances had been rejected. Despite being explicitly told he was not allowed on the property, he remained uncooperative, displaying a striking sense of entitlement and an unwillingness to respect boundaries.
If you don't leave, you're first of all
how you doing?
Trespassing because you're on her property. She doesn't want you here.
I'm not. This is the property right here. So let me stand over here. Then.
You have no other reason to be in this complex. So
I just told you my reason.
Okay, and I'm telling you that by law, she don't want you here. The daughter's not answering the phone. Okay.
That's y'all statutes and codes. I know my law.
Okay.
So I know I could be here.
Okay.
But I'm just trying to talk to your daughter.
Hello. Ma'am, can you...
How do I know that though? How do I know that? That hasn't came out her mouth.
So I asked you once, and now I'm telling you. The third time, I'm gonna put my hands on you, and I'm gonna physically remove you from the property. So you walk away and you get in your car, or this is gonna turn into something that it doesn't have to be.
That's cool. But
okay.
I'm just trying to talk to her daughter. That's not.
Hey, get in your car. Where's your car? Where is your car? Listen.
His car is right there.
Okay, get in your car and leave.
Why are you putting?
Are you tensing on me?
I just explained everything to you. I told you to leave, or we're gonna put our hands on you, and you do have to leave.
Why do I have to?
I explained that to you. She does not want you trespassing. She does not want you here.
That's not a law that I can get arrested for.
Yes, it is.
You know that.
It is a law.
You gonna sit there
so do you want to go to jail and find out? Because if you do, I will take you. You are if you don't leave.
I don't have to leave.
Yes, you do.
No.
Okay.
Hey, don't do that. Don't do that.
You don't want to do that. Stay over there. Stay over there.
As he continued to ignore repeated commands to leave, officers were left with no option but to take him into custody. Yet even the reality of being arrested seemed unable to break through his persistent state of denial.
People just make stuff so hard. I explained it to him 3 times.
That's cool. You don't know what my life and what I've been going through.
That's fine.
If I want to talk to her daughter, I could come now. And you
no, you don't. When we ask you to leave, no.
I don't care. I don't know y'all. Y'all nobody to me.
Okay, well, you will find out when you go to jail. Move your hand.
If I go to jail, I'm not staying there. Y'all know that. So I'm not scared of y'all. What y'all talking about, bro? Y'all know I'm not gonna stay in jail because that's not a law. That's a statute.
Give me that. Give me that damn key.
Let it go. Let it go.
That's out.
Let the key go.
For what?
Listen.
Y'all doing the most. We black people.
You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
We black people. You gonna go home and look. You gonna look at yourself like, damn, I arrested a kid just cause he wanted to talk to a girl.
I got it.
Once he had been secured in the patrol vehicle, officers turned their attention to interviewing the young woman. What followed quickly revealed a clearer picture of his behavior and the extent of the ongoing harassment.
Hello. What's going on?
A lot is going on. He's stalking me. He won't leave me alone. He's crazy. I've been recording every single time that he's come here, every single time that he's texted my phone. He's like harassing me, and he won't. Clearly, you see, he won't leave me alone. This isn't the first time he showed up here. I don't know how many times he showed up here when I haven't been home, okay? She's already told him on a previous occasion to leave me alone, and he doesn't listen.
So you don't want him here, you don't want him here.
No, we told him several times, don't come back here. You park over here, it's a fire lane, do not park here.
You're not even supposed to park there. You're not even supposed to be over
How long has this been going on for?
It's been going on for about a month now.
A month?
A month now. This is ridiculous.
Okay,
You know
no
the
problem.
world we live in today? You
Yeah,
just,
it's crazy. Wait right here, don't leave. Let me talk to my partner for a second.
You can hear this. I don't want anything to do with you. Do not show up to my house again. Stop watching me and do not show up to my house again. Do you understand me? Everyone is sitting out here hearing me say this. You're hearing me say this. They're hearing me say this. Don't show up to my house again. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're
Okay,
crazy.
that's enough.
Later, the victim was advised to seek a protective order. However, when confronted once again with the fact that he was prohibited from returning to the property, the young man reacted with open hostility and refused to accept the restriction.
You are officially being trespassed from this property. You have no reason to be here.
I just told you that's the reason.
They don't want you here.
All right, that's cool.
So what I have done is I have completed a written trespass form. If you come back on this property within this complex within a year, and police see you on the police.
How you gonna sit there and tell me that? If I want to, I could do that. And y'all can't take me to jail. You know
if
that.
police see you on the property after this form has been completed, you will be taken to jail. So
Bro, I'm not
today is
I thought I was going to jail from the jump. Stop lying to the people.
Today is September.
You just lied to me, said I'm going to jail.
Today is
sit there and lie to people when y'all arrest them. Stop lying.
Today is September 10th, 2022.
Yeah, just take
if you come back on this property before September 10th, 2023,
I just told you don't have no power over me. I do what I want.
You will be taken to jail. So do not come back before next year.
What did I just tell you?
You understand what I just said?
I own myself.
Do you understand what I just said?
And no, I don't understand.
What part don't you understand?
I'll take 2 times, but never the 3rd time.
What part do you not understand?
Bro, I don't understand. That's it.
I'm about to big
rap. You thought you was finna get me? I don't understand. Stupid. Take me out these cuffs. I don't understand.
Do you understand you've been trespassed?
Take me out these cuffs now. I don't understand though. Take me out these cuffs.
Okay, I'm done. He's going to jail. I'm over it. I'm so done.
He was subsequently transported to the police station, where he was formally charged with harassment and criminal trespass. Despite repeated warnings and legal consequences, the situation continued to escalate, highlighting how some individuals cling to a false sense of entitlement, rather than accepting rejection and respecting another person's boundaries. Under U.S. law, the individual's conduct could constitute several criminal offenses, including harassment, stalking, and criminal trespass. Harassment involves repeated unwanted contact or behavior that causes emotional distress or fear to another person. Criminal trespass occurs when an individual knowingly remains on private property after being ordered to leave. If the victim obtains a protective order, any violation of that order may result in additional criminal charges and possible jail time. Law enforcement officers are authorized to arrest individuals who refuse lawful commands or continue engaging in prohibited conduct. From a delusional stalker to a completely hammered son who decided fighting his own mother was a brilliant idea.
Talking to you.
Okay, I'm not talking to you.
He said I was in fucking cuffs. Right. Nobody said I was locked up.
This is 30-year-old Philip Paul. Back on July 26, 2021, he got into a massive blowout with his mom, getting the neighbors so worked up they called the cops. But when the officers rolled up, they had zero clue what kind of guy they were dealing with.
Officer Lowry, Port Orange Police, what's going on now?
No, I'm the mother. No. accident.
I just want my son to leave.
We already got officers over there. What's going on?
Yeah, that's where we just came from. That's what she's worried about. We
All right,
just
hold on.
arguing. No, hold on.
No.
Listen to me.
Watch out.
I'm not watching out for nothing.
This is the first time I've been over here tonight.
I don't give a
What's going on? What's going on, man?
Figure it out, dude. That's your job, ain't it?
Okay, well, come over here and talk to me then.
Am I suspected of a crime? Don't fuck talk to me.
I have a domestic disturbance going on over here, so you're going to talk with me.
That's fine. There's 8 motherfuckers around here.
Okay.
Who's your domestic
What is going on?
You're talking to somebody else, not me.
What is going on?
Go get your shit together, officer. I guarantee you ain't walking in here. I promise you ain't walking in here. I'm somebody. I'm residing here. That's who I am. Get the fuck over it.
Okay, so...
What's your problem, man?
You're my problem.
What's your problem?
Back the fuck up, bro.
I'm here.
Officer, I don't give a fuck who you are.
I know the one call.
You're just the lowest on the fucking totem pole.
I'm here to talk to you and figure out what's going on.
Okay, go figure it out. You saw somebody get in an accident? Hey, did you see somebody just get in an accident? Hey, listen, did you just see somebody get in an accident? Yes or no? No, dude. No, I'm calming you down. Did you hear me? You handle my tax dollars, right? So you're gonna listen to me. Did you just see somebody get in an accident? Yes or no?
What is the argument about?
Did you just see? There's no argument. Did you see somebody get into an accident? Yes or no?
Who are you to him?
Hey, listen. No, you're not talking to her. Hey, listen. You're gonna
Get out of my face, man.
I'm not in your face. You're on my property.
You need to calm down, or you're going to go in handcuffs right now.
Put me in handcuffs.
You're about to.
Okay, for what reason?
Calm down.
For what reason?
Because you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do.
And that's not a law, motherfucker.
Screaming and
yelling
yelling
that's
in
not
my
a law,
face.
bitch.
Go sit down.
That's not a law. No, f that. That's not no law. You can't tell me to sit down just because you want to. Why are you showing me a law?
What is going on with you, man?
We just saw somebody get in an accident.
I have officers
So go handle that shit.
I have officers over there.
Okay, well, go handle that. Don't worry about me, bro.
There's an officer over there handling
Okay, well, good. Go handle that then.
Drunk out of his mind, Philip started screaming at the cops out of nowhere, completely blowing off their orders to chill out. But when he finally decided to open his mouth, he started spinning a whole different story.
Okay, we left the damn gas station. We drove, and this motherfucker's here. We left the gas station. We're walking from the gas station, and this motherfucker comes hauling by us and wrecks.
Okay. And then, so then you guys come
Nobody's driving or nothing. We were walking from the gas station.
Okay. So then you guys come back here, and what happened?
Nothing. She's all freaking out because she thinks that I was like involved in that or something, like with her little boy, my son, or my little brother. We were walking from the store. We saw somebody hauling ass. Okay. So we ran here and we're like, holy shit, somebody just wrecked. And so my mom's all excited about everything.
Okay.
Of course everybody's excited.
I got you. Okay, so
that's what's going on. There's no problems.
Okay. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. Okay. So
now we're arguing before. Like,
at any point did it get physical? At any point did it get physical between anybody?
I don't know. Did it get physical?
6-5, go for it. Yeah, I'm asking. What during?
I would have gotten physical when we saw somebody wrecking the car. That's like the only thing that we had on our minds is that car was wrecking.
I'm saying when you got back here and your mom was worried that she thought that was you guys. Did anything physical happen?
No, hell no. There's no domestic violence. I got buddies that are in the cop. I about was a cop, so no, there's no DD.
Okay.
Contrary to the 911 call, Philip swore up and down he didn't lay a hand on anyone. But as the cops dug deeper, the real truth behind his story started coming out.
Who are you to him?
That's my fiance.
Okay, why are you guys continuing the argument?
No, it's not us. It's not us now. Earlier, it was us. Obviously, he's been drinking.
Okay, you guys were arguing before?
Yeah, but he was just
now you're not arguing?
No.
Then why is he so upset with me and screaming and yelling?
Okay, because his mom just got here and his truck is loud. He doesn't have like a Cadillac converter or anything, so his truck's really loud. And so he just took them to the store and they were seeing this guy. I guess he was all f***ed up or whatever, and so they were following him because Phil was telling him, he's like, oh, that guy's about to wreck. So he followed the guy, and sure enough, this guy wrecks.
Okay.
So then he goes and turns around and comes back, and his truck is loud, and she's freaking out thinking that he's doing like 100 down the road, but all three of the kids were like saying, no, his truck's loud, so we were just following the car, and we turned around.
Were they arguing now?
Yes, because she was trying to
just
say
a verbal argument?
Yes. So,
are you his mom?
Yes.
Okay, what in the world is going on now?
I don't know. He just gets very loud.
You just saw how he was screaming and yelling at me.
What's that?
Yeah, you just saw how he was screaming
and
and yelling
at me. That's how he was screaming at me, but 10 times worse.
That's how he
So this time, those two weren't arguing.
We were earlier, but then we stopped.
This time, I'm talking the third time now the police have been here.
I didn't know that. I just got
This is the third time now.
Yeah,
You guys got in a verbal argument?
Yes.
Over what?
because I thought that he was speeding with my kid, my son, my other son in the car. And apparently, I guess it wasn't him that was speeding, but so I, of course, you know,
freaked out.
I freaked out because here I'm thinking, and there he's drinking, and
The officers finally pieced it together. The whole fight started because Philip was driving hammered with a kid in the car. But instead of realizing how bad he screwed up, he acted like he owned the place and made the whole situation 10 times worse.
You guys started arguing about you thinking he was speeding?
yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah, speeding. I mean, speeding. You see what happened to that other vehicle because he's got my youngest son. He's drinking. I mean, he's driving and drinking. I mean, that's
I'm driving and drinking, huh?
Yeah, you are.
Have I drove this vehicle?
You didn't want to talk to us, so go back
And that's fine. Hey, am I
talk to us.
suspected of a crime? I didn't think so. So I'm gonna
Why are you
keep
so
my.
rude?
No, I just like to. I like
What's
to.
up, buddy? There's glasses up on the ground.
Yeah, there's glass. So watch your steps.
I'm just making sure you don't cut your foot.
I'm not leaving tonight.
Yeah, you are. I don't want
My
you
kids
to.
are asleep. I'm not leaving tonight. I'm not leaving tonight.
Where do you live at?
You are going. I don't want you to.
That doesn't matter.
It's only going to get worse.
No, we're gonna go to sleep. Nobody. There's no.
I'm telling you, I don't want you to be here because you're not.
Hey, guess what? I'm not leaving. Listen, I'm not leaving tonight. No, I'm not.
I'll tell you what.
Period. I'm not leaving.
I'll tell you what.
My kids are in here sleeping. I'm not leaving.
You don't live here. She wants you to leave.
Hey, I got mail coming here every day. You want to play that card?
Yeah, he does not live.
I got mail coming here every day.
You need to back up out of my officer's face.
Hey, I'm right
okay?
here. You're in my face. What are you gonna do,
Step
Mr.
back.
Lowry?
You need to step back.
Are you gonna push me back?
Step back.
Are you gonna push me back?
Step back.
I'm good. Is that a law for me to be
Step
right
back.
here? Tell me a law
Out of
that
his
gives me a distance to be from you and Mr. Davis and Lowry. So tell me the law that tells me I can't be right here.
You're invading his space.
And you're in my property. You're in my
Because we were
space.
called here.
That's fine. Yeah, tell him to back up. Listen to your superior officer. Okay,
Same as me.
okay. So listen to your superior officer.
Sir,
Relax.
What's up?
Calm
you don't
down.
live here.
Okay.
She wants you off her property.
Okay, but I get mail here every day. So I'm fine.
Yeah, one reason you do not live here.
It doesn't mean, but I've been living here for the past 2 weeks, so I'm not leaving right
1
now.
week. It's been 1 week.
And I have a house, but I'm not leaving right now. My kids are asleep. I'm
I
not
want you
leaving.
to leave because you're not going to be nothing about
Okay, but I'm not leaving.
Well, you don't live here.
But I'm not leaving. Period.
Since Philip kept losing his cool and refused to calm down, his mom decided she was kicking him out of the house. When he brazenly kept fighting back, the cops had no choice but to do what they should have done from the jump.
Do you live in North Carolina with him as well?
Yeah,
we're about
get
to
the
go.
out of here with your
I'm not
questions,
talking
bro.
to you.
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
I'm not talking to
But
you.
I'm fucking talking to you.
Okay, I'm not talking to you.
Okay,
so
and I'm
relax.
talking to you.
Okay,
Hey,
I'm
now,
talking to
hey,
her.
we're
I'm
going
talking
to
to
her.
her. Okay?
Yeah, we can go in circles, but guess what? We're going to the same place.
You have a valid driver's license.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go
Here,
inside.
let's get each other.
Let me go inside. Let me go inside.
No, you ain't going inside.
Okay. I'm gonna go
Back
inside.
out of the way. Go inside.
Hey.
Relax.
Just
Oh, so
stop.
you're gonna put your fucking hands on me?
I'm telling you
right now.
Dude, get your fucking hands off. I have done nothing. You have no right to put your hands on me.
who you think
I'm
you
glad I
are.
got a camera sticking in my truck.
Well,
right
I'm
here.
glad you do too.
Hey.
Really?
Put it
Can
down.
y'all-
Put it down.
Hey.
You're gonna.
I've done nothing. I'm not getting in handcuffs.
Hey. Can y'all just?
I'm not getting in. Get off of me. I have not done nothing to be here. Am I detained?
No, now you're under arrest.
For what?
Now you're under arrest. Now you're under
Now I'm
arrest.
under arrest for what?
Now you're under arrest.
Okay, relax. Here you go. Relax. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. I'm not black.
I didn't say you were.
I'm not black. So let your be easy, mother. Relax, man. You fucking relax.
Even while getting cuffed and hauled to the back of the cruiser, it was crystal clear Philip wasn't going to take an ounce of responsibility for what he did.
Hey, listen, this is why I'm upset is because we just witnessed an accident and I'm getting dealt with like this. We just witnessed a f***ing accident.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Yeah, this left, the left one.
Okay. Let me look at them.
It's eating me up.
You gotta stop moving around. That's what makes them tighten up.
No, but I shouldn't even be in here. I have no reason to be detained.
I just got here.
I know, Bubba, I had no reason to be detained. I literally stepped off of my porch and this dude bear hugged me and threw me in f***ing cuffs. You can ask my girl. She threw me in cuffs.
You're screaming at me, man. I can't.
Yeah, but I'm in cuffs for no f***ing reason, God damn it.
Okay, then we're not gonna fix them if you're not calming down.
Why the f*** am I in God cuffs? No. Man, bitch, get your f***ing hands off me, bro.
Stay in the car.
Then get off of me.
I'm trying to loosen the cuffs up for you.
All right. I am respected. I don't need to be in cuffs.
You don't respect me or them.
Oh, wow, motherfucker. They don't need to have me in cuffs. They got no legitimate, lawfully reason to have me in cuffs. You ain't got no reason to have me in goddamn cuffs. Give me a lawful reason why you cuffing me. Tell me that nobody said I was in fucking cuffs. Nobody said I was fucking locked up.
Right
And
now.
they just fucking cuffed me.
Do you want an answer or not? Because you're yelling over me.
Well, Bubba, I ain't done nothing. We just witnessed an accident.
Keep your feet over there.
We witnessed an accident, sir. That's it. We're excited. That's all it is. We just saw an accident in front of us. God damn.
Put back where you're supposed to have your foot.
Hey, here you go. Does that work for you, officer?
It does. You're going to cut your foot on that thing. I don't want you to cut your foot.
I don't want to do that either, sir.
Then we're in agreement. Cool.
Like, dude, like, literally, what have I done to be deserved to put in cuffs? Because I speak my f***ing mind. Everybody wants to get personal and put me in cuffs then?
What's your name?
Philip D.
Philip. Okay, Philip. I literally just got here.
Yeah, but sir, I'm in cuffs for no reason.
Philip, I don't know that.
I stepped off my porch and they said that I was resisting arrest because I stepped off my porch.
Philip, take a deep breath, take a second so I can figure out what happened.
I'm in cuffs. How do you expect me to take a deep breath? You want me to put you in cuffs and have you take a deep breath?
Right after, they questioned the neighbor who made the call, and the truth finally came to light.
He was leaving after getting into it again with his significant other, the female in red.
Okay.
He was leaving.
On foot or in a car?
In the vehicle.
Okay.
All right. The actual lessee of the property is the smaller female with the black hair that drives the white car.
Okay.
She was coming back. He saw her coming back. He came down. She was right behind him. Actually, sorry. Let me go back. She had showed up after he left.
Okay.
The skinnier, tall male somehow appeared. He might have been in the vehicle. I hear them going at it. The smaller black-haired female and the tall, skinny guy, they're going at it. She leaves.
Okay.
The fat guy that you guys have in cuffs came back. She's right behind him, 3 feet on his tail.
Okay.
They both pull in. He gets out of the truck and comes back towards her vehicle. She's in the door frame. He's hooting and hollering, screaming at her, takes the door and pinches her in between the door and the frame. He retreats back into the carport. She goes back up to her car. Does not go after him. She goes back up to her car. She's getting ready to call 911, saying that she's getting ready to call 911. So he comes out and slaps the phone out of her hand.
Okay.
Assault number 2, and preventing her from calling 911.
Yeah.
He starts changing his focus over to one of the teenagers. Comes up, starts poking him in the chest, telling him I don't even know, I couldn't even
You know
hear
what teenager that was?
It's kind of hard to see out, and it's a little far. I believe it was the one with the green shirt.
Okay.
But there's 3 of them that are like the same size.
Okay.
You know, it's kind of hard to distinguish. Plus, there was a lot more other shit going on. So, like I said, I was on the phone with dispatch, and you guys showed up maybe 30 to 45 seconds after he had slapped the phone out of her hand.
Armed with that statement, they confronted Philip again, but instead of fessing up, he stood his ground.
So when you got back here, did you and your mom just get in a verbal argument?
No, when we got the little argument verbally about that right there, about the accident.
Did she say anything about like she thought you were speeding or something like that?
No.
Okay. What was the argument about, Jeff?
Honestly, I've got no idea. It's just she heard the car got to a crash, so I understand that's probably why she was upset. She heard that car get into an accident.
Did she think like you were involved?
I would assume that she would think that we got into an accident.
Okay, so you thought that's probably why.
That's probably what she thought. That's the only thing I could come up with.
All right, so
I literally have nothing else.
All right, so she thought that you guys got in a car accident.
That's what I guess.
She got angry. You guys started arguing. Did anything physical happen between you guys?
No, sir.
At any point in time, did she tell you she was going to call 911?
No, sir.
She never told you that she was going to call 911?
Not that I heard, no.
Okay, so she never told you she was going to call 911. At any point, did you push a car door?
No, sir.
Her car door?
No,
okay, she said she was standing outside of the car door. Her driver's side? Did you push the car door into her
sir.
at any point in time?
No.
Were you guys close together near the car? Say if some neighbor was looking, it could have looked like that might have happened?
No, I mean, we were talking by her car, but nothing like that ever transpired.
Because, obviously we're asking these fairly specific questions because somebody thinks they saw that, right?
Yeah, well, definitely.
So help me understand why they think they saw that.
That's my mom. I would never do anything to harm my mother.
I understand, but...
We literally just watched an accident. That's the only thing we're excited about.
Phil, remember how you were all excited, you jumping around, you screaming, yelling at us, all
because we just saw an accident.
Understand.
What about your brother? Okay,
what about him?
At any point in time, did you put your hands on your brother?
Never.
Okay.
Ever.
I'm just talking about just tonight.
right.
I was gonna say ever.
Tonight, never, ever.
Because I got brothers.
Yeah, I got
would
brothers
not necessarily
too,
be correct.
but not tonight, never, ever. My little brother's 15 years younger than me, so it's good.
Later on, the cops found out Philip already had an active warrant out for his arrest, and it didn't take long for the 30-year-old to realize just how deep in the hole he really was.
Why do I gotta go to jail?
Because you have a warrant out of South Carolina. I can't.
Yeah, but that's not extraditable. I've talked to the cops before, and they know that.
So you have missed a court date in South Carolina because you have a warrant.
North Carolina.
Or sorry, wherever. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, exactly.
I cannot issue you a court date if you have
So
previously
what do I gotta
missed a
do?
court
I
date.
gotta go to jail tonight?
What happens tonight? We're gonna take you to the
Please, sir.
Phil, calm down. Be calm.
Please, man, I got my
Phil,
baby.
if you're calm, I can work with you. If you're not, I can't. Right?
Yes, sir. Just
right.
please
Remember?
work with me. RO me, please. Like, I got my baby, sir.
Phil, take your deep breath.
Please, I got my baby.
I got rules I gotta follow. Remember earlier I told you we follow the rules?
I've done nothing tonight, like, to deserve this. Like, we witnessed an accident.
You're spiraling. Deep breath. Focus. I need you to focus for the kid.
My baby.
Phil, if you cause a problem, it causes more problems.
I don't want to cause no problem.
It causes more
I'll
problems.
go home tonight. Like, I don't care.
Focus. All right?
My babies are in they need their daddy.
Phil, focus.
My daughter's gonna freak out.
All right? We have to take you to the station.
Can you please bring my fiance out here?
Give me a second. Let me tell you. Phil, I told you I'd work with you. Let me tell you what's going on, and then make sure you're calm, and we'll see what we can do. Okay? We got to take you to the station. We're going to put you in a temporary, it's just called a temporary holding cell, okay?
Please don't do this.
Phil, listen. Crying doesn't help me, okay? I need you to focus, be an adult, and understand what's going to happen so we can work together.
But I didn't do nothing to you guys.
Phil, we went over this.
Sir, I understand. Was in North Carolina, it's unextraditable. It's nothing here.
I understand that, but you missed that court date.
I know, but it's a $300 bail. I'm going up there.
This has nothing to do with that. The issue is the chief judge of the 7th Circuit in Florida says if someone has missed a court date, I cannot give them a court date. They have to see a judge. Okay?
But if you thought it ended there, you'd be dead wrong. Philip's mood flipped from acting sad and cooperative right back to being aggressive.
Are you serious right now?
Phil, you banged your head. I can't have you doing that. You're gonna hurt yourself.
I can't be going to jail for no goddamn reason. Because you want to take somebody to jail so you can feel good about yourself? Man, f you, bitch. I'll be out, and guess what? I'll be out.
Yeah, you'll be out.
Yeah, I'll be out. I'll be out before the morning.
No, you won't.
Why? Oh, no, I won't. But why am I going to jail?
Phil.
Mom!
Phil, put your foot back in that car or you're going to get charged with escape. Do you understand?
Mom! Get the f off me!
Y'all stay over there. Stay over there.
Phil.
Man, you.
Phil, look at me.
Man, all you guys.
Phil.
Get your hands off me.
Phil, you need to calm down or you're going to get charged with felonies. You're not going to get out.
I'm going to get charged with felonies?
If you don't come down and put your foot in the car.
Get me out of jail!
Phil.
Man, get your f***ing hands off me! Close the goddamn door, you stupid motherfucker!
Get your foot.
Close the goddamn door, bitch! Get your f***ing hands off of me!
Get back!
I'm inside, you stupid fuck! I'm in the car, you dumb motherfucker! Close the door! You better come get me out, Mom!
In the end, Philip was hauled off to jail and charged with witness tampering, battery, and resisting arrest, with his bail set at $6 grand. I got 0 words for the sheer audacity of this guy Philip. Gets completely hammered, gets behind the wheel with a kid in the backseat, acts like a thug to his own ma, and then has the brass balls to mouth off to the cops. The law doesn't play around. Stacked with battery, resisting arrest, witness tampering, and an active warrant, this guy is facing hard time. Watching his fake victim to tough guy act is infuriating. How would you handle a piece of work like him? Drop a comment below. That drunk son was awful, but just watch how this armed fugitive's pathetic escape attempt ends in pure chaos.
Your f***ing car. Give me a kiss.
Hey, you're f***ing kicking me! That's another felony!
I'm asking her for a f***ing kiss, man!
Let's start with Nicholas Walker Eckert, a 22-year-old man. On November 24th, 2022, in Channahon, Illinois, a seemingly ordinary altercation at a liquor store completely spiraled out of control. He pulled out a knife before resorting to a pathetic attempt to flee in his vehicle. When law enforcement arrived, one thing became immediately clear. This young fugitive was already a familiar face to the police.
Hey man, how you doing? Did you call? How's it going right now?
Yeah, is anybody like hurt or anything?
No.
Okay.
No, he took off.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, coming in hot.
Well, we got caught with a guy with a knife.
Yeah.
So that's
and
why
I guess, because I didn't see it myself, but the guy I was sitting next to, they said it was like that long. It was like a good close to 6 inches, so that's why.
Where was this at?
It was right here.
Right near the entrance?
The kid's name is
Nick
Nick Eckert or Eckler or something like that.
Oh, I know who you're talking about.
Yeah, I knew the kid too because I knew the girl that he was with, so that's how I Facebooked her real quick.
Nicholas Eckert.
And the only reason why I recognize him is because I've seen him on the Grundy County pages recently. I'm like, oh, okay.
To properly set the stage, on August 21st, 2022, Nicholas stabbed a man near Channahon, causing serious bodily injuries. Since this was yet another case involving a bladed weapon, the officer naturally began the interview by addressing this all-too-familiar pattern of repeat offending.
His girlfriend is
Abby Valerio?
Yeah, it's Abby.
Yeah.
Abby Valerio, okay.
Gotcha. Right. So she was with them?
Yeah, I think she was in the passenger seat because I was sitting there and he came in and it was him and that had the altercation. So I was just sitting there and I saw it. I didn't even see the weapon, honestly, at first. I heard him yelling like,
was beef with you or was
no,
someone
it wasn't with me. It wasn't with me.
So what all started that?
They were at the red light and I seen him looking over, so I went like this for rock paper scissors, and then he's like what, and I pulled up here, and then I'm like, and then he came, he's like, do we have a problem? I'm like, I went like this for rock paper scissors, and then he's like, oh okay, we're good, and then gave me a knuck, and then walked out, and I was like, wow, there's gangsters on Morris, and then he came back in and pulled out, he's like, what, bitch, you don't know me, I'm a gangster, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, and then I ran behind the bar, I'm like, I'm not gonna get stabbed tonight.
Okay. So he brandished a knife to you. Do you remember like what the knife looked like?
It was green.
The green
The
knife.
handle of it was green. It was at least 6 inches.
Pocket knife. Oh, it
was at least 6 inches.
Switchblade pocket.
Yeah, switch. He flung it out.
Okay.
After an unsuccessful search of his residence, his brief run from the law came to an abrupt end. A crucial tip placed him in the Seneca area, making an immediate confrontation all but inevitable.
Hey man, what happened to Abby's?
We were driving by looking for the kid's parents. And there's guys doing some shit in the window.
Okay. Hey, I'm gonna pay you down real fast. You don't have any weapons on you, alright?
Anyways, the guys.
Do you have any knives or anything like that on you?
I can't.
Sorry if I empty your pockets.
Yeah, go ahead. I can't have any.
Alright, so some people playing rock, paper, scissors with you?
No, that's what he said. I walked, this guy he's throwing something out, like throwing something out the window. And I walk in, I'm like, is that a problem? Because I didn't know what he was doing. He tells me, he's like, nah, I'm just playing rock, paper, scissors, woo, woo. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. Gave him a fist bump. I'm like, all right, cool, whatever. I walk out, and then he starts talking more shit, like, oh, I want to beat his ass, woo, woo.
Yeah.
And so I'm like, I walk in, I'm like, you beat his ass? Like, what the f***? Who are you talking to? And then he ran behind the counter so quick, like a bitch. So I threw his drink.
You just threw his drink?
Yeah, I threw his drink. He grabbed his phone and I threw his phone in his hand.
Gotcha.
I didn't put my hands on him, nothing.
Okay.
I grabbed the guy.
I gotcha.
As soon as I seen he ran behind the counter, I wasn't wanting nothing, I left. Like,
okay.
Bro,
so, tell me why I'm hearing different stories from other people.
I'm sure you're gonna hear a lot of different shit.
I'll talk to you in a second. Do you have a green knife by chance? Did you brandish a knife in a bar?
No, I don't have it. I can't carry a knife. I'm not on bond for a knife. I don't carry knives. I don't even carry my work knife on me anymore.
Okay. Well, here's the deal, man. So this is just gonna be a charge. For right now, this is gonna be a charge with aggravated assault. Okay. Turn around for me.
Am I under arrest?
Yes, you are.
For what?
Aggravated assault, like this.
I don't have a...
Hold on, Abby.
Why?
Stay in the car.
I didn't do anything.
Okay, stay in the car.
Abby, stay in the car.
Wait, I didn't do anything.
Stop.
But why?
I'll explain to you.
During questioning, Nicholas offered a watered-down version of events. Like any criminal, he conveniently left out one major detail: the knife. Faced with this pathetic lie, the officer promptly placed him under arrest and secured him in the patrol car before questioning his girlfriend, who chose to show the same pitiful loyalty by sticking to the false story.
That same exact thing, literally. The guy, we were waiting, we were looking for this piece of ass mom that left me with these kids.
They're not your kids?
The girl is. Those two are.
Are they his kids?
No, they're my sister's kids. She left me with them, and she's at some bar in Morris. We have no idea where she's at. You're fine, baby.
So you're supervising them for right now, at least?
I'm not supposed to be. She left me with them.
Okay.
Just left me. We're trying to look for her at these bars, and Paulie's dumb ass goes like this and says, "Want to fight?" to Nick. And of course he's a hothead. He walks in there. Of course he does. And then that was it. That literally, he didn't hit him. I made sure he did. I told Nick, do not hit this guy.
Okay. So I mean, well, I saw by 3 different people that he pulled a knife out in the bar.
You can please search my car. There's no knife.
I will. So yeah, that's what basically 3 people saw a knife in his hand, went
He
like this.
He might have pretended with his hand, but he has no knife. He can't. He's a felon. He just got caught up stabbing, so he can't.
Okay.
No knives. I was right there. There's no knives. If you take him to jail, all these kids are going to DCFS. I can't do this without him.
Okay.
Please, like, pick him up tomorrow.
Let's hop out of the car and say, like, this is your car, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Confronted with these matching lies, officers carried out a methodical search in an effort to obtain physical evidence.
Turn her down, please. So why are you covering for him?
I didn't know.
Well, probably because this is the exact knife that was described to me.
So how are we supposed to sit here and believe at all that didn't happen?
He just handed it to me because he's a felon. He said he's not supposed to have it on him. That's what he told me. What's happening? Like, what is he getting charged
So he's
with?
going to be charged with aggravated assault because he brandished a knife, one in a public place and at a person. So he's going to be going to the...
Paulie? He had one too, apparently.
That's not what was described to me. So right now it's just a charge. No one's convicted of anything.
It's difficult to tell whether Abby was telling the truth or merely pretending in an effort to avoid consequences. Nevertheless, granting the 2 accomplices one final private conversation out of misplaced compassion would prove to be a disastrous decision.
Bro,
Stay in the car.
you're getting arrested.
I know. Can I get up to the police?
Stay in the car.
I can't like have her hug me or nothing, man.
If you want to do that right now, I don't.
You know I'm not gonna do nothing. Go nowhere. You got me fucking handcuffed behind my back.
Bro.
I love you, baby. You know, bro.
Yeah, we gotta go get back to Morris.
Shut the up.
Stop.
Dude, Nick, I've always been cool with you, man.
No, bro, you're sitting here arresting me for what, dude?
Aggravated assault. Like
I didn't do nothing.
Nick, I've always been cool with you. You've always been cool with me.
You're arresting me on shit I didn't do.
Okay, we're gonna get going.
Like you're arresting me on shit I didn't do, man. Look at me. I'm looking you dead in the face, bro.
I am looking at you.
If I wanted to do something, I would have did it.
Okay, we gotta go, man.
But like you're arresting me on false charges, bro.
False charge? Oh, I'm not.
How? You got proof I had a knife on me?
They have it.
What knife?
The green one. They have it.
I don't have it on me. I didn't have it on me.
The one that was literally described to me that was in your hand. So get in the car and let's go. We have to go.
Yeah, let's go, baby. I'm taking off.
No.
Sal, get back in the fucking car. Sit down.
This shit's dumb, bro. I can't believe you're doing this. Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
Get your foot in
here,
the fucking car.
Give me a kiss.
Now you're fucking kicking me. That's another felony.
I'm asking her for a fucking kiss, man.
That is another felony.
I'm asking for a kiss. You already got me in the car. I'm asking for a kiss. You already got me in the car, man.
Seriously, Nick.
Nicholas first made a brief attempt to escape before descending into pointless agitation. Even after being forcibly placed back inside the vehicle, he remained stubbornly unwilling to acknowledge his wrongdoing.
I told you to get back in the car and you
slammed
wouldn't
my
refuse.
ankle. What are you talking about? I sat in the fucking car, bro.
You had your legs up the car. And
I
I told you to put them back in.
Where am I going?
If you listen to a single goddamn word I say, you're going to the jail now.
Oh, duh, but where the f would I go other than that? You got me cuffed. How the f would I run if you got me cuffed behind my back? Are you stupid?
You just said you were going to run. You
How?
just told me, I'm going to go.
How?
I'm going to run. You just said that.
But how?
Oh my god.
Use your head,
I'm
dude.
done.
I know you're not dumb, bro.
Can I put him in next?
Like, use your head, bro.
Don't worry about it.
All I did was ask for a
kiss. I'm going to jail. I'm not gonna get a bond.
I didn't have to have her come back and
Like,
tell
do
you
you not
goodbye.
get that? I'm not even gonna get a bond, bro.
Yeah, now you're not.
Like, do you see my charge? Like, I'm already got enough charges.
I know.
All I asked was for a kiss, bro.
Yeah, and you got one.
I'm not gonna
And a hug.
like I can't even say bye to my daughter, bro. My daughter's sitting in the back seat and I can't even say bye.
It's kind of not my problem.
Exactly, you're just being a
You would have went with the
For
program
what?
in the first place.
I was sitting in here doing what I had to do.
Okay.
You're arresting me on some charges that are shit.
Okay.
Like, it's Thanksgiving night, dude.
Sure.
Like, and you're just being an asshole.
Sure. Whatever.
Like,
you
I
wanna
sat down
believe.
in the car. You told me get in the car. I sat down in the car.
Sure.
Like, give me a minute to put my legs in. I asked for a kiss, bro. That was it.
Sure.
This shit hurt like a motherfucker, bro.
I'm sure you kicking him in the chest hurt too.
I didn't. How my legs don't even reach that high?
You were kicking my leg. You were kicking my legs.
My legs
dude.
have been down here on the bottom of the
You
door.
literally were just kicking my legs, man.
Yeah, not your chest.
My legs.
Because I was trying to give her a kiss because you're being a dick, man. Like, why? Why are you being like
Because
that?
you're not going with the program.
Dude, I've been doing nothing but going with the program.
Later, suddenly struck by a remarkably convenient moment of clarity, following some rather pathetic and theatrical goodbyes, Nicholas was transported to the Grundy County Jail, where he would eventually deliver the inevitable confession.
You went to Ebby's. You saw whatever his name was doing like some rock paper scissors stuff.
Yeah, I don't know.
What happened after that?
I walked in and I asked him. I said, "Do we have an issue?" And he was like, "No, I was just playing rock paper scissors." And I was like, "Oh, okay." And I gave him a fist bump and I left. I was like, "Cool." And then as I was leaving, they started saying more shit, talking about, "Oh, I would have beat his ass." Whoa, whoa. And so I was like, "What the f?" So I went back in. I was like, "Do we got a problem? Like, is there an issue? Like, I'm like, why? Like, you really gonna say some shit like that?"
Right.
And then he just ran behind the counter, and I just left. I knocked this drink over, grabbed his phone, tossed his phone on the floor, and walked out.
Okay. At any point during that incident, did you pull a knife out?
Yeah.
You pulled the knife out. Can you describe the knife to me?
Green and black.
Okay. Did you point it at anybody?
No.
Okay. Can you show me how you pulled it out?
I grabbed it in my pocket.
Yeah.
I flipped it open. I just stood there like this. I was like, really, bro?
You flipped it open?
Yeah, I just stood there like this. I was like, really?
Okay. And then, did you say anything, or did he say anything?
No,
to you?
I was just like, really, like,
Yeah.
what,
You can sit down, man.
I was just just basically like, I'm not one of these people.
Sure.
Like, don't, like, you can't just talk about me. Like, how are you gonna do some coward shit like that and talk about me, but when I leave, and I just left. I knocked this shit over and left.
Okay.
In an unsurprising conclusion, serious charges were filed against him, including aggravated assault and aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer. Under Illinois law, Nicholas Walker Eckert's actions exposed him to several serious criminal charges. Allegedly displaying a knife during an altercation and later fleeing from law enforcement could support charges related to unlawful use of a weapon and resisting or obstructing police. His prior stabbing incident, which reportedly caused severe bodily harm, may also be considered during prosecution and sentencing. Additionally, any physical confrontation with officers during his arrest could justify charges of aggravated assault and aggravated battery against a peace officer, both of which carry significant legal penalties under Illinois law. Under U.S. law, the actions seen in these cases trigger a severe cascade of criminal charges. Harassment, stalking, and criminal trespass carry strict penalties, particularly when protective orders are violated. Fleeing from or physically confronting law enforcement rapidly escalates to resisting arrest, obstruction, and aggravated battery on a peace officer. Furthermore, crimes like witness tampering, possessing drug paraphernalia, and child endangerment severely compound the legal fallout. Ultimately, the justice system ensures that those who openly defy lawful commands face harsh consequences.